Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look to see SketchUp normal version versus SketchUp Pro. So if we go to the pricing plans, we can see that they have the Go plan and the Pro plan. Now if we select monthly, it's gonna be $18 per month and this will be $50 per month. Now the difference between these is that the Go plan is available only on iPad and web. And the Pro plan, basically, you can get the desktop app. So if you're using a computer, you're gonna have to use the Pro plan if you need the desktop app and you don't want to work in your browser. Usually the desktop model is way faster. So if you want to model using the desktop app, you're gonna have to choose the Pro plan. If not, you can simply go with the Go plan. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, guys.